Hello, and welcome to Immersive Learning, Best Practices for Creating Engaging Online Experiences. This video will walk you through what immersive learning is and ways in which you can implement it in an educational setting. First, what is immersive learning? It is a training methodology that features a virtual space in which the learner is a participant working through conceptual and applicable knowledge and skills in a safe and engaging environment. There are many more uses, but 3 ways in which an educator can utilize immersive learning, either synchronously or asynchronously, is by way of simulation. Having students work through real-life scenarios while making decisions is aimed at increasing engagement and metacognition. Game-based learning encourages collaboration with friendly competition to promote mastery. Augmented or virtual reality provides a safe, no-risk opportunity for high-risk training to begin and gives learners the ability to be transported far from the confines of their physical space. When creating an immersive training or lesson, I created a checklist based on published works in the Open Journal of Social Sciences and the British Journal of Educational Technology. These 4 frameworks inspired best practices combining conceptual processes, pedagogic perspectives, and methodology to form the basis of an effective immersive experience. As a demonstration, I've created an educational training titled Abraham Lincoln, using Nearpod and other tools. The audience of this training is my 8th grade class at a private international boarding school. This training is important for the purposes of meeting curriculum standards, but also to coach students with professional and life skills. By the end of the training, learners will be able to apply knowledge of Abraham Lincoln's legacy to their own lives. The experience follows the checklist by introducing the immersive experience with a focus on the self and prior knowledge. As you can see here, the 4 experiences are a collaboration board, a get-to-know-me page, a virtual tour of online supplemental resources using Google Museum, and a eulogy activity making professional and personal connections to their own lives. Learners then move into an electronic document while being front-loaded with information about Abraham Lincoln's life. As you can see here, it starts with a painting, and this painting will become significant in the next activity the students will work through. Phase 3 of the training has learners move into a virtual space to explore the new content and tour National Historic Sites using VR Museum. Abraham Lincoln's Life in 10 Stops is a Google Museum arts and culture project that takes students through a virtual space, including historical sites such as his log house. This type of virtual learning is perfect for an immersive learning experience. Learners are then asked to apply the knowledge of the life and legacy of Abraham Lincoln into a creative original eulogy of the former president, while also viewing and being transported to his tomb. The technology used has a shallow learning curve and is able to be integrated into so many possible tools, including the one I am using in this video, which is Nearpod. Following this checklist, anyone can create meaningful and engaging immersive training. How will you implement it? Thank you, and take care, and happy planning.